guys, it's Kate. Today I am here with you for a November P.O. Box unboxing. I have received a lot of packages lately. A lot of that is because I've been doing a lot of pin trades. And I also have a package from someone that reached out to me and asked if she could send me a pair of ears. I will leave all of her information right here on the screen as well as down below in the description box. But this is my first time ever that I've been reached out to by a small shop, and I was so pleased to say yes. I have not opened or looked inside any of these packages. All I simply did was cut off the top so you guys didn't watch me struggle with a pair of scissors. So let's go ahead and jump in. First one I will take out is this one. It is from I think Switzerland. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad with out of country packages, somewhere far away. But I am seeing chocolate in here and that makes me so happy. This is the Kinder Happy Hippo Cacao 5-piece set of little chocolate hippos. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? Thank you so much. I believe this was Julie that I traded with. Let's open on up. We did a pin trade. Yep. She wrote a little note that says, thanks for the trade. And she included some Rapunzel stickers. These are precious. So here is her note. Thanks for the trade. And then we have some Rapunzel series little stickers. But what's especially cool about these is on the back, which I'll show you guys in a second. It has her name, but it is not Rapunzel, because that's the, you know, American version. Oh, I guess she goes like this. Sorry. Didn't mean to show you sideways there. This one. And then we're back to the start. But look at the back of these guys, because it has her name in whatever language. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I do think that they are stickers. I don't know what I'm going to use these for just yet, but I'm very excited to find a home for those. And then the pin I traded for is a Rapunzel pin, which is probably why she sent in those Rapunzel stickers. Oh my god, and it's beautiful. It's from Disneyland Paris. I'll take it out of the packaging here. And it says, create your own destiny and follow your heart. This is stunning. I am so pleased with that. Very excited. I love that. I'm gonna have to put this in my Rapunzel collection, which is growing. So very excited about that. Thank you so much, Julie, for agreeing to trade with me and for all of the extra goodies. I am thrilled. Next up is a package from Taylor, and she included this cute Zootopia sticker on the back, which I think Becca, Disney Kitty here on YouTube, would appreciate. Everything is beautifully bubble wrapped. I didn't think to bring a pair of scissors for the bubble wrap. I only thought to open up the package, so I guess I should have brought scissors regardless. But this is not a pin. This is a beautiful keychain. Oh my gosh. How pretty. This absolutely looks handmade. And it reminds me of Vero. It has got beautiful sea colors like the aquamarine and teal. And there are some charms, a Mickey charm, a sea turtle charm. There is a mermaid, a little sea glass starfish. This is stunning. I cannot wait to put this on my keys. Thank you so much, Taylor. That was so sweet. And then here's the pin. And I do remember trading this pin. I am still collecting the Coco set. I'm actually trying to complete a lot of mystery sets at the moment, because it gets discouraging when you spend $15 on a box and get duplicates. I apologize, my husband's phone is going off. So this is the El Corazon, or the heart pin from the Coco set. So very excited about that. Thank you so much, Taylor, for the pin and the beautiful extra. I loved it. Next up, this is from Christies Corner. I've received a couple of different things from her. She was originally Christies Commentary here on YouTube, but she changed her name. And she says, Kaitlyn, thank you so much for the trade. I love Zero and pretty much anything the Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you like this one. Also, I love watching your videos. Once I get mine, I open it on, I'm assuming when she gets her pin, I'll open it on my channel and tag you. Much love, Christy from Christies Corner on YouTube. And her Instagram handle is Christy Lee A. And I, again, will leave everybody's information below. We did trade, like I said, I'm completing open edition mystery box pin sets. And we traded a Nightmare Before Christmas because I had an extra 0. And she had an extra, whatever this guy is. I don't know who it is. I'm a fake fan. But I wanted to complete the collection and she had an extra, so it worked out perfectly. So thank you so much, Christy. I love him. Next up is a package from the Martins. No first name on it. There is a note that says, thank you from the trade from Sarah. It's got cute little Cinderella and flower stickers all over. This is a Coco pin as well. It's kind of on a Coco kick, not really one I collect normally, but I can never get my hands on these AMC Stubbs pins. I'm an AMC Stubbs premium member. My family and I usually go every Tuesday when they have their $5 ticket Tuesdays. I mean, truly, we are movie buffs, and I can just never get these pins when they release them when the movie releases. So she was able to trade that with me, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you so much, Sarah. All right, we're running low on packages here. This is so fun. It just feels like Christmas, I swear. Pin trading's like Christmas. This next one is from Antoinette. I love the Minnie Mouse red polka dot packaging, just saying there. And then here we've got a note that says, thank you. Kaitlyn, thanks for the trade. Hope you enjoy your new pins and complete the set. Happy trading. From Andy. Thank you so much, Andy. These are the donut pins, so definitely an older set, but one I decided a bit later that I did want to complete, so I was able to trade 4 of the donut pins with her, which is really exciting. She wrapped these very, very well. These are not coming out. There we go. So the first 2 I unwrapped here are Jiminy Cricket and a Dalmatian. I don't think it's a specific Dalmatian. I think it's just a Dalmatian. So those 2 are precious. And then the other 2 are Pluto and Alice. So let me get these out of here. Andy, you did a wonderful job wrapping these. You're not playing around with the wrapping. Here are Pluto and Alice. So, so cute. Like I said, these are from an older set, but I just think that these are really cute. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love a donut? I love a donut. So, super happy with that. Thank you so much, Andy. We've got one more package left. And then I think the other one is the package from the small shop. So this one is from Carolyn. Thank you, Carolyn. And it looks like it is in a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party treat bag. So I love that. And there's definitely extras in here because we just traded pins to my knowledge. Kaitlyn, thanks for trading. Enjoy. Happy trading from Carolyn. She sent me a Disneyland 60th postcard. This is super fun, and I will definitely find a place for this in my house. So thank you so much, Carolyn. She also sent me a Disneyland Resort luggage tag with Lightning McQueen on it. That is super fun. I will put that on my suitcase. And then our pins are on, oh my gosh, she sent me like a pin trading book. Wow. I think this is from Disneyland. There's a receipt, or oh, maybe she had used this and then just sent it along as a goodie, and these were probably pins that she was looking for and collecting because they are different pin sets with one circled or crossed out as the ones that she needs. So I guess maybe she was using this and then just thought she'd send it along, which is so sweet. Oh my gosh, how sweet. Okay, so when I was in California last November, I purchased this pin set and opened it and loved it. And of course I don't live in California, so I couldn't purchase another box. So I have been looking since that time for somebody to help me complete the set. I was able to get 5 of the pins off of her, which is awesome. So you guys can see it here. It's definitely kind of a stylized, an older, it actually makes me think of the kind of like the 20s, kind of the Gatsby era of the different ride icons at Disneyland. So you have the Grizzly River Run, the Little Mermaid, the California, it just says California Adventure, so just the California Adventure logo, the Hollywood Tower Hotel, and Cars Land. I just really like the stylized version, how they have these designed. And then now I have a little pin trading satchel to bring with me, which is super cute, and I love the colors for Disneyland 60th. So thank you so much, Carolyn. That was so super fun trading with you. And now we're going to get into the small shop package. This is from Metcalf, I'm assuming is the last name. I apologize if I pronounced that incorrectly. There is a letter, it says Fairy Tales and Fitness, and it says, thank you for your order, Lily Bell Craft Company. That is her Etsy, and the back says, Kaitlyn, I hope you enjoy these Frozen themed ears as much as I enjoyed creating them for you. Please feel free to share coupon code FAIRYFIT for 10% off. Love, Gracie with Lily Bell Craft Company. So if you guys love these, if you go onto her shop and type in FAIRYFIT, you will get 10% off of your purchase. So that is super, super cool. Thank you so much, Gracie. I'm sure I'm gonna love them. And I only have 1 pair of Frozen ears from Viva La Mouse, so this is definitely gonna be something I do not have already. Oh, wow. These are very plush. So here's what the ears look like out of the packaging. They are very soft, very big, very plush. It is a beautiful darker blue and lighter blue gingham check with snowflakes on top. And then the bow is a huge silver metallic bow with a blue metallic piece wrapped around. They're very light with how big they are. My mirror for my closet's right here, so I'm just kind of checking out my mirror here. Those are precious. I really like those a lot. They're very light, like I said, and they're different. They're not typical Frozen colors, so you could have these for Frozen, but you could also kind of just wear them for Christmas. I think those are super sweet. Thank you so much, Gracie. I love them. And thank you to everybody that I did pin trading with. I love these kinds of videos. Like I said, it's like Christmas. So if you guys would like to pin trade with me, check me out on Becca's Disney Pin Trading group. I'm on there pretty frequently. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!